Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making my first wig. I'm going to be using this Lulu Tress Crochet Bohemian 12 inch. I have 5 packs that I actually won in a Facebook group. So I'm going to be using that as well as some additional hair later. And this is not a tutorial, just letting you guys see me make my first wig because it was my first time, so I didn't know really how it was going to come out. But yeah, so if you know how to crochet into your own hair, then this is relatively easy. You're just going to be crocheting into those little holes. And I made sure I put the T-pins on the doll head so that it would stay while I'm crocheting the wig. So I would definitely recommend that if you have a crochet head, whether it's the styrofoam one or the cloth one, which I have like the cloth material. So yeah, it was pretty easy. It seemed like it took just as long for me to do this as my hair crocheting my hair. Probably seemed like a little longer. I don't know why, but it was much easier because you're not crocheting it on your head. And but I did take like little breaks in between, so maybe that was why. But yeah, it was something that was pretty easy for me to make. Something that if you want a little crochet wig, maybe you don't want to crochet your hair on top of your head because you just want to have a wig. That's what I love about this. It's so convenient. So yeah, like don't beat yourself up if you guys can't, you don't get it on the first try. The first try, I definitely couldn't get it. I had to put it like 2 or 3 times in the hole. So yeah, don't time makes everything. One of the practice makes perfect. So even though I know mine was far from perfect, it was definitely easier once I got the hang of it. But yeah, so anyways, just still filling in the back pieces first, and just how I would crochet my own hair. I usually start in the back. So yeah. So now I'm just crocheting the back of the wig, trying to make sure I fill in all those gaps, those little holes that you see in the back, trying to make sure they're covered up. If you have dark hair, it probably won't show, but you just want to make sure you don't have too many gaps not filled up. So I would recommend, get about 7 or 8 packs, so you definitely have enough hair just to be on the safe side so that you can cover up the back. So now I finished the front, and I'm going to be using this Freetress 3 bundle pack Urban Twirl Curl in 10 inches. It was the only other hair that I had left, and I thought if anything I could just blend it in because the 5 packs, it didn't cover the whole head. So I'm just going to use that in the front, which is better to use a shorter inch in the front anyway, so it will be shorter in the front, longer in the back. So yeah, I know, even though one's more of a twist, one's more of a curl, it's the same color, so I just added those in there for the rest of the crochet. That's why I recommended getting about 7 or 8 packs of whatever hair that you get, so you can use the whole, the same texture for your hair. So now I'm just adding on the last final pieces, crocheting them into the top of the wig so that I can fill in any gaps or spaces that I had seen. And yeah, so I'm going to be trying it on, so you'll see that right now. So now I have the wig on, but I didn't crochet the front part. Like, I couldn't tell when it was on the mannequin head, so I didn't even notice until actually I put the wig on. But I'm going to show you a little hack that I'm going to do. Well, first, you could also crochet that part onto your head. Crochet, the extra pieces of hair just so it'll be on your head if that's one way you want to do it. But me, I'm going to take this leopard print headband or cheetah, and I'm going to put it and make it into a headband wig. You could always, just switch it out for a black one, but I didn't have a regular black color. But yeah, or whatever color you want. And I love it because I've been really seeing the wigs with the headband wigs, and I really love them. So yeah, I love this wig. So now I just put on a little lipstick, got ready for the day. And yeah, so I really, really love this wig. It's so cute, so convenient. And yeah, if you want to like gel your edges, do your baby hairs, do it how you like to do it, then you could just do that. But yeah, I really, really love this wig. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.